Oh my god. Just a second. Let me just sound check. Can you hear me? Okay. Steps to this one day. I really am. Okay. So tonight it's world building. And I apologize a little short. I want to point out my mic here. I don't know if you can see it. I got paint on it after last time when I got like I had food on it and paint and so I'm just gonna move that out of the way. I'm still talking into it, but yeah. So okay, sound. Um jeez. Okay. So tomorrow's stream though, the No Man's Sky stream, I do have to skip this week. I don't want to, I really want to play. But it is what it is. So I'm actually going to be traveling uh, this weekend starting tomorrow night, so I won't be able to do it. But I'll be back next week for No Man's Sky. But tonight it's world building. I'm going to get my stuff up here while I'm talking to you. Hopefully, all won't be the end of the world. But I did figure out quite a few things, so I'm excited. And hopefully I'm going to actually make quite a bit of progress today. Let's see here. But we'll see how it goes, right? That's what we do here. We see how it goes. I know I had some mic problems before, but hopefully those are kind of working. I'm kind of having trouble. I have the light set up and it's hard for me to look into it, so I'm trying to look into the camera. I apologize if I don't, because I'm kind of working at the same time. But we're gonna get started here. Let me make sure I'm all logged in. I am. Oh yeah, here we go. Shh. Okay, so I really appreciate any suggestions that you might have to kind of for my world building page. So let's go ahead and switch over to that now. And oh, wait a second. I want to wait. I was wondering if there's like a I would really like a I don't know, like a just a button where I can just say tweet this now kind of thing. Okay. Maybe I can do that. Let's see. We're gonna try some things here. Just a second. I know. You're just like, why? We just want you to get started and stop screwing around. I should mute my stream before I hit that button, because once that happens, actually, I'm not gonna mute the stream. I'm just gonna. Sorry, was okay. I have tweeted. I There's so many things like, and I know I don't like nobody watches these, but that's okay. Um, but here we go. Okay, let's get this going. Where's my so many things? I'm going to turn that down. All right, that's the way I can make sure I can see the chats because I haven't quite figured out how to show them on my desktop when I'm trying to do all these other things. Maybe other people have other screens set up, and all I have is my drawing pad. So figuring the whole thing out, right? So anyway, this is what I'm building now. I did well, I thought I figured that out. I thought I could put a copyright symbol there, and it didn't work. But I did figure out where to do it, so here we go. All right. Let's see. I have my... Let's get my timelines open. So this is the one where I'm actually working on. I have my timeline set up with my months, everything. We were talking about the calendar a bit last time. My giant introduction, settings, homepage. Sorry, just double checking everything, right? Because I think you know what you're doing. Okay, here it is. So I thought I had, this is what I wanted, was this copyright symbol. I tried putting the master map, and then it puts the map at the top so you can like click on things and go to places, but it looks so ugly with like what I had chosen, so I didn't want to do that. Is it like a symbol, or do I have to use maybe what do you call it? Spotify. Oh, Spotify link. That's kind of cool. Maybe I'll link. I do have playlists that I do when I do this. That's one of the things I need to figure out, I think, is my headphones, and so I can listen to music while doing this, because that's been a whole deal of me not getting things done. Sorry, now I'm checking my headphones because 93. It's not too bad. Okay. Anyway, but I do have a couple Spotify playlists that I guess I could add those here. I guess let me know if you're interested. I do have certain music that I listen to this. Oh, there's the YouTube channel. There's like so many things, but let's see. I want an icon. Do we have that? They're so tiny. Like, no, that's superscript. I know, you're like, now you're starting to figure this is so boring because you're figuring out I don't need a new section or a container. Okay. We'll just take it out. The global's on every page and we don't want that, so we'll save that change and at least get that out there. Because I thought you could use... Let's see, copyright. I know, this is so boring. Copyright symbol. World Anvil editor. Oh, I just, here we go. by text editors. I shouldn't need other symbols because I denote things in certain ways. Maybe I can go to source mode. See a way to do that though. I didn't save that. Oops. Oh, that was not the right place. Nope, nope, nope. I realized I did that and that was dumb. Go to homepage. Settings. Placement, custom contact. Display, global. Okay. Nope, there's auto links, which I don't really need right here. I don't see a... Has known issues, no WYSIWYG. Auto link will full be... I don't understand. Strengths, limitations, Plato, Euclid, Legacy. I think I'm using Euclid. No WYSIWYG. That is WYSIWYG. BB code I haven't used in forever. I mean, it's basically just another markdown, right? Right? Maybe it's an image. It's code, tooltips, lists. I need checkboxes. What I need is copyright symbol. Pathfinder actions. No. I'm not playing Pathfinder. I did finally get to play Pathfinder 2. I know it's been out for a few years. And I was having quite a bit of fun with it. And I was kind of sad when that game exploded. Exploded is a good word for what happened in that game. Those are links, pin icons, code pin, code. I mean, I guess I could use an image. I would kind of hate to do that. Dice roller, follow button, world meta. Oh, Creative Commons license. It belongs to me. Sorry. It's formatting. Tables, columns. That's it. It's the ones on this other list. Secrets, PDF files, master tags, diplomacy webs. I have a diplomacy web I need to do, so that's going to be part of that. No. Okay, so yeah, nothing there that I could use an icon for. Oh, copyright symbol, so there it is. I'm gonna hit save again because I don't know. I wish I'd stay where I was. It's okay. All right, so let me get my workbook things that I was looking at. This one is where I'm actually at. Trade routes and travel. Movements between. A lot of these are good. Trade routes and travel. So let's see what we can get together here. So part of it is I need to go into old. and my world building. This is where I have I lied. I moved it because I I realized I was going to copy and paste it. And I realized it's just Markdown, and I could just move it into that folder, and then it'll be there. Where's my Obsidian vault? Obsidian. Okay. I was looked forever for a Markdown like database kind of editor flat file thing. It was so difficult. I mean, wikis. There's some really cool wikis out there if you have a certain type of hosting, which I currently don't have. Maybe someday. But the old style PHP based, like they're clunky, so clunky. And I just wanted a Markdown thing, and I had Boost Note, and it destroyed all my shit, and I'm not happy about that. But here we go. Okay, so intro. So I created this world, and I have this stuff there because this was for the website, and I'm gonna actually take these out because that website will be coming down. Let me see here. What did I do? I'm gonna do some side by side here. Where let's go look at the world and the introduction. Unveil. I go into. Oh, I want to show you this because he's so super fluffy right now. Quibble had to have a bath today because he got stinky. And he is so super fluffy right now. He's just so fluffy, and he's sitting here curled up with me. So soft. But, okay, it's 20 minutes in, and I haven't done shit. Part of it is just get my stuff in one place, and in two places. I want it online here, and I want it backed up here. But it's okay. Well, most of this is the same. So if I just I'm always thinking about these things, I guess. And just trying to, I don't know. Okay, so that's good. I'm not going to put this up there because it doesn't really match. It's just a little drawing I did way back when. All right, characters. We're going to come back to characters because I have so much to update. I need to comb through stuff. Okay, let's see where did I get last time? I really like how this works. I know they have recent articles. So I did get this up. It's two suns. We're supposed to call it a sun and a faraway star. So that's how I imagine it. It has two suns, but it's a binary system. One of the stars is a dwarf and far away, so they do see it in the sky, but it's like a dim white. They have Broken Moon, Sunset Moon, and two others, which I haven't named. And I should put a comma there. Let's see. Oh, that's the theme one. Can I just edit? I think I can just, no, that's the codex map. Anyway, need a comma. Seasons are a 90-day cycle with a civilized world recognizing the quote unquote civilized world. 4 month. We're gonna say 4 month or cycles of the moon. That doesn't make sense. Four-month and moon cycles. So it's like a block of like 90 days basically. They recognize 4 of those a year, and they roughly fall into the seasons. And oh my god, grr. Hi, you joining me? You gonna snort in the mic? Yeah. Okay. Brew fall, grr winter, per spring, and Sarasar is summer. The most advanced countries, and that's spelled wrong, are in the southern hemisphere, and that's where the calendar applies for the most part. That is followed by the Isle of Frost in the northern hemisphere. The ice caps are small, and ocean levels are high. Okay, so this is part of the World Atlas. Okay. How did that work? Anyway. Introduction to the Atlas. Atlas is okay. I need to I guess write an introduction to the Atlas. And I guess that's where the world stuff can go. Let's check out world here. World. Write editor E in space, name any of your articles, go to the edit page, write the list, or just okay. No, I got a map going. A preview. Okay, let's look at sorry, I keep itching my nose because it itches. Let's take a look at what's going on here. And I think I actually needed to change some things. Let's see. I like this because I can edit this. So the features of the planet. And I think I actually made that a condition instead of geographic location. I wanted to check to see if that's what I wanted to try to do. Let's see. They all have different features, so it's kind of interesting. So this is the top. Owner, if this is landmark or a settled building, additional owing rank, organization, alternative names. Nice. Okay. Sections. Sidebars. Design. Okay. So one thing I'm going to do is close up of my map in Incarnate for those. And type. About the Aurora planet. That's why I was thinking about doing this, but I like how it's all like. You can search. I think planet is one of them. Oops. Sorry, planet. So I take planet, go to content. Okay. So, yes, I like this. Not all of this is going to be filled out, but it makes sense. History, tourism, I don't want to do a whole planet, so we're gonna go back to the articles. And we have it currently. I don't have anything in staging, nothing. I've started some categories in there. So the World Atlas. Here you go, features of the planet. So let's. I made it a law. What are the other types? Settlements, spells and abilities, story plots, technology and sciences, tradition of rituals, vehicles. So many things. Like, and it, I mean, laws, natural, metaphysical. I mean, it's not really what it is, but items. I could have done a generic one, I guess. Let's take a look at which is what all of these are. Do you delete these or move these to a staging area? It's so hard to say. Generic. Why don't I create a new generic? Okay. So World Atlas. Let's go ahead and edit this one. Okay. Maharia has 2 sons respectively. Where did I put this in here? World. So countries, nature, races, planet. And faraway star. There are 4 moons. Oh, I had these on separate lines, and that was my problem. Where do I? There we go. Delete. So, gosh, why does it do that? There we go. And 2 others yet to be named by me. By the author. That sounds stuff. Okay, so seasons are on a 90-day cycle, with the civilized world recognizing 4 months or cycles of the moon. Yeah. Recognizing 4 months or cycles of the moon. To which these do something or other. To which these no, not to which approximately match the seasons. The following. There you go. So, and then Bruma, fall, here, the most advanced countries. I just see that when you don't, I see it in my head and I write it down. It doesn't come out that way. It's worse. Sometimes I'll just write, like, what's coming out of my hands is, like, completely not what I'm saying at all or thinking at all. And it's really tough sometimes. And I don't see it until I come back after a while, which is another reason why I'm doing this, to hopefully kind of see my mistakes. you know, most advanced countries are in the southern hemisphere, and that is where the calendar applies for the most part. Though it is followed by the Isle of Frost and Northern Hemisphere and the ice caps and small shelves high. So I need to come back, and when I get Isle of Frost in there, link that manifestation, visualization, localization. I'm not going to worry about that. Okay. Features of the planet. Yeah. Moon, sun, season, calendar. Good. Save changes. So let's go to. I don't like that I don't have a menu on here, and I need to figure that out. So all I can do right now is go back to the home page. I want this codex. I wonder if I can do that. Here's the planet, type natural. Block. I got all my social and my Ko-Fi up there. Coffee. I guess it's coffee. Buy me a coffee. Anyway. Okay. So that looks way better. And I can stop obsessing over it. Oh, look, there was the... Anyway. Just pretend. There. And up here. It's okay. So let's go back to the homepage. What I would really like is for this world codex to be like, and just the maps to be in there. I wonder if I could do that. So I did stick Himalaya Reckoning in here. Oh. I'm already part of that. Yeah. So I can add the months and stuff in here. So let's add this up. So Bruma is always the first month. The year, the calendar year starts in what do you call it? Year starts in fall. It's actually 90. Oh, it didn't say that. Bruma. Oh, it is kind of buggy. 90. Fall. This is why I have to have it all written down. Like, I keep feeling I can't keep anything in my head anymore. Winter. Let's save. Oh. Weekdays, okay. Why is her in a book? I need to move it. Okay, here we go. There, now I'm not slapping it so much. I want to hide the days, the name of the week. Add a weekday. 1. I guess you have to add them all first. There is 6 days. I can actually check this because I have it here. Or at least somewhere open. World. Oh, because they have a week is 6 days because that goes into. Can I still? Nope. Nope. This is you at $4.95. Oh, we'll wait on that. You. View settings. I'm not ready to figure out and the newest version of Anti-Line tonight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this will probably delete those. So let's add. Oh, we want to make sure to add them in. I don't want to screw this up anymore. And then this is the one that I just pasted. So grab that. I know Gur's snoring right. He's right behind me. Kuba left and Gur got on here, and that's what they do. They switch all day. Sometimes they get both on at the same time, but usually they switch around. And Sarasar. Say 90, 90, 90, 90. This is winter. Oh, no, this is fall. Winter. Spring. And summer. Okay. We're going to leave that for now, and we're going to hit save. Old version months array. This is where we here during this time of features and labs. Okay. So now if we go look at calendars, I have this one. Well, I don't know what to do with it yet, but I created a calendar. What I would like to do, I guess let's take a look. Actually, let's go. No, button. Let's look at the main world. I like how this one has a completely different one than if you just go to articles, but it still says it's articles. It's very confusing. Title. This has my list here. I'm going to go to settings. What I would like, there is a global sidebar custom content. How do I? No, I know. I'll never get this done because, like, there's no sidebar right now. What I would love is to have it right up here, this part. You see my feet's here. You can watch it there too. Nobody's following it yet. It's very sad. It's okay. So what? Let's check the settings because it could just be there's the introduction and the role playing. Jits. They're all in the placement. Left column, left column. But I want the introduction and can I move the what do you call it? The codex to the sidebar. World Anvil. I know, I spent a lot of time figuring out, like, just write it. But I've written a lot. I mean, I know. This is really what I wanted to do, though. Let's see. So many guides. Yet. Global content. Sometimes. Like. Because I wouldn't mind this all in the footer. Yeah, this just gives me the settings. Which, well, it might be there. Interactive map. No. This is basically the introduction. So if I could put this on the side, but I want this on the side of like every, so how do I link the world codex? Instead of here. Inspect. So, homepage, custom content, auto link. I don't know, matches. Oh, that's because you have to have like. So if you did like world codex. Wait, because if we did this, we did world codex. Would this work? Nope. All their use the row quality to create magic. Well, yeah. Because I want the table of contents to be kind of on. I wonder if I can. I wonder if I should change this introduction. Because that's what I'm going to do. I have this saved, so we're going to make this a little bit smaller. Wait. It's supposed to be a vignette. Save changes. Let's see what we got here. Now that made it closer to the top. I just... So then what does... Let's look at a few other things here. We're actually going to go to full-on styling. I know he's really snoring. Okay. Global cover, no. Well, you know, that's not true. I won't really want that right now. That'll work. And then I don't have to add it every time. Configuration. Yeah, this is the settings before where it was. All right. Let's go look at the article again. So features of the planet. Content. Sections. Design. Excerpt. Mouse over snippet. No, it's okay. Import article magical. No. A Discord to update. Oh, I know. I just want to do things, and I don't know how. It's like create a section and column, but how do I grab that world codex and stick it in there? I mean, it's called table of contents. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a thing. We're gonna hit enter. We're gonna do this. We're gonna say section. Table of contents. Paragraph. I'll leave that alone. It's a world click. Let's do this. Table of contents. Because that's what it was called in the thing. Right? I know, this is me still figuring out World Anvil. Yet, footnotes. Like, nothing better than the lorem ipsum when I'm trying to figure stuff out. Well, now it's just telling me, like, where the sidebar goes. That's what I want. So, if I go to this article, I want. I just want to put stuff in the sidebar. How do I do that? Like, this is fine and everything, but I really just want it there. Like, really. I did add it in recent. And here we go. Here's guide to the table of contents. She didn't like. That's nice that you're just showing to me. This is what it looks like. But okay, paste the TOC. Oh! I found it. Paste TOC anywhere to display the full table of contents for your world. So what happens? Okay. Saved. Oops. Oops. Wahaha! Okay. That's not where I want it to go. But we have made progress. Let's see here. So I'm gonna have to come back in because I obviously edited it and then features of the planet. Edit. What can I edit? Can I edit this? Oh, settings. Okay. So heading. Advanced English, active. Display weight, homepage, placement, custom content, left. Some changes. Damn it. Like, this is, they want this to be the top. So that's a thing. Okay. It's okay. We can advanced homepage, placement, custom content. But I'm kind of understanding more about the anatomy of how it works. And it's like that introduction is just brutal. So maybe I need to edit my image and make it smaller so it comes up further on the page and I feel better about it. Ugh. So many thoughts. Like, so many thoughts about what I can do. Global content. No. World navigation. Like, if I do that and just save, what does that do? Okay, that fixes that. It doesn't show up there, but if I go to a calendar page, no. Advanced display, global content. Global world navigation sidebar content. Oh, that's the global world header block, introduction block, article announcement, additional block sidebar bottom. It's on my social, which I stuck in here. They could. Okay, so I think to make it look better in the meantime, I will have to do those things. World Anvil is hard to figure out. Or at least wrapping my brain around it. Notebook. Article templates. Create a new article template. Sidebar. Structure. Sidebar. Presentation. For general information about the planet. Ooh. That's interesting. So, Bootstrap 3. Now, a resource. I would love to see it. When you reference so much, probably use the lowest sidebar. You use placeholder, and you can, if you use that, then it'll create the article with that. Oh. Because Nope. Uh, I know. I didn't get much done at all today, and I need to figure some things out. Because I keep screwing around, right? I do have a lot of stuff in here. So, like, I guess my first plan is to figure out that if I can figure out how to get that table contents in the sidebar, have the features of the planet. I think I'm going to delete this introduction to the atlas. I kind of want this to be the parent. It doesn't work so well if you don't have the table of contents. So there's that, but like I trash it. I did a thing. Because I have my features of the planet. That should be the first one. So my next article. I can go from there. Because I want to do a list of countries and then each country. And I think I can handle that. Gosh, I'm sure everyone is. Oh, hey, there's a chatter. Oh, I'm using Anvil. World Anvil is what I'm using. I'm sorry, I didn't even hear the. There was like not a notification, but hi, Dina Hiddle, Witch of Dreams. Welcome. You can just see me muddling around. Yeah. Um, that's what I am using is World Anvil to try to put all my ideas in one place. I'm still figuring it out, so I'm not getting very far on these streams because now I need to go find dinner. But I really appreciate you stopping by, and I do hope that you stop by again. Figuring all this out, I am going to spend some time this week, and so that next week it won't be as boring. I hope I'll actually I don't know, figure things. I am so sorry I didn't see you earlier, but thank you for or for checking this out. Okay, so where was that? Yeah, I what I really want is to move that table of contents into the sidebar, and I will figure out how to do that so that I'm not distracted by these issues anymore and can actually get the world building part in. Tomorrow's stream, like I said, is canceled because I'm traveling, but we'll be back next Thursday for the No Man's Sky stream. But really, thank you for coming. You're my first person ever. I really appreciate it. Bye.